Welcome to the Empowerment Hour, hosted by your self-care sis and business bestie, Sandrah. This is the space where confidence meets your coins and your peace finally meets your purpose. Get ready to level up, sis.
Oh yeah, me I dey build my world the way I like. No time for wahala and no time for fight. See the sweet life way I design, because my own shine must to shine. I know say I be your motto leko. My confidence dey for overflow. Them no fi stop this glowing. No, you are enough. You are enough. Yeah, you are enough. Sure, you are enough.
Sis, welcome back to this episode. If you're tuning in for the first time, I am so glad that you're here. And if you're a regular, you know how we do. Pull up a chair, grab your tea and your notebook, and let's get into it. If you're wondering, you can grab one of these notebooks as a digital form on www.esandor.com, or if you want a hard copy, they are available on Amazon, and I will link them in the description box below. Today's topic is near and dear to my heart. I see so many of you struggling with it every single day in my DMs. Girl, you guessed it, we're talking about branding. But we're not talking dry, boring, corporate kind of branding. We're talking branding for the baddies. I see you scrolling. I see you looking at the girl with the 5K studio setup, perfectly curated white and beige feeds, and the girls that seem to be dancing on TikTok 24/7 just to get a few views. I know what you're thinking. Cassandra, do I have to do all of that? Do I have to change who I am just to make a few sales? The simplest answer for this is absolutely not. In fact, doing the most is usually what's keeping you away from the bag. Today, we're stripping away the performance and building a brand that feels like home. Let's start with a truth bomb. Your brand is not your logo. It's not your fancy website or even your fancy headshots. Branding is an emotional frequency. Think about your favorite brand. Maybe it's a specific skincare line or that one boutique that you constantly go back to. Ask yourself, why do you go back? The simplest answer is the way they make you feel. When someone lands on your page, a vibe check happens within 2.5 seconds. They are subsequently asking, do I like her? Do I trust her? Does she have what I need? So if you're trying to look like everyone else, you're telling the world that you don't trust your own source. And if you don't trust your own source, why should they buy it? Let me introduce you to the Baddie foundation exercise. I want you to pull up your phone or your notebook. We're doing a quick audit. Answer these three things. 1. The legacy. If you left the internet today or tomorrow, what is the one thing that people will say that you taught them? 2. The transformation. What is the actual after you provide? If you're selling lashes, you're not selling hair. You're actually selling that feeling of becoming that girl when she walks into the room. 3. The energy. 3 words. Are you sultry, intellectual and bold, or are you warm, relatable and funny? Stick to these 3. That is your North Star. To be magnetic, you need the 3 C's. Let's break these down because these are the non-negotiables. Number 1, clarity, aka the hook. Confusion is the enemy of conversations. If I have to scroll through 10 posts just to figure out what you do, I've already clicked away. You need to be able to say what you do in 1 sentence. The Baddie formula. I help who do what using your secret sauce. For example, I help stay-at-home mom so they can make passive income without sacrificing family time. Boom. Clear, magnetic. 2. Consistency. Sis, consistency is not posting 7 times a day. It's about message consistency. Stop pivoting every 5 minutes. If Monday you're a travel vlogger and then on Wednesday you're a keto coach, you're confusing your audience. They need to know what they can rely on you for. 3. Confidence, aka the audacity. People buy energy before they even think of buying any products. You have to have the audacity to believe that you are the solution to someone else's problem. Stop using shrinking language. Stop saying I'm just a small business owner or I'm trying to start coaching. No sis, you are the CEO. You are an expert. Speak it until it's real. Alright, let's get into the Baddie brand glow up. These are things you can change today to start start seeing results. The bio makeover. Your bio is a sales page, not a diary. Remove I love tacos. Instead, put in I help statement and a link. The highlight strategy. Think of your highlights as your silent sales team. You need 4 specific folders. Number 1, start here. Who are you? What's your story? 2, the goods. Show the product/service that you provide. 3, the receipts. Share what your clients have to say about your service or your product. This can be DMs, reviews, and even results. 4, the vibe. Behind the scenes, let us see you being a human. The profile pic. I need to see your eyes, sis. No logos as your profile pic. People want to buy from a person. Next is your tone. Write like you talk. Anything that you say in real life, like ciao, clock it, period, put that in your caption. Audacity is the ultimate aesthetic. I want to get real for a sec. Branding shouldn't feel like a chore. If you're an introvert, you don't have to be the loudest person on the internet. Your quiet power is a brand in its own self. Avoid these baddie brand traps. The comparison spiral. Looking at big creators and feeling small. They have a team of 5. You have your phone and a dream. So just stay in your lane and be content with what you have and the journey that you are on. Aesthetic over value. Don't spend 4 hours on graphic that doesn't say anything. A plain black and white text post with value will always beat a pretty post with no soul. The ghosting phase, which I am very guilty of. Don't disappear when things get hard. Even if it's just a 15-second story. Saying, hey, I'm working on something big, or saying how you truly feel. Maybe you're a bit burnt out and you're taking a break. Just remember to stay visible. Before we wrap up, I want you to remember this. You don't have to do the most because you are already enough. The world is waiting for your specific perspective. If you want to delve deeper, I have actually created something for you. I just dropped my Branding for Baddies mini workbook. It has the exact brand voice prompts we talked about today, plus some secret Canva templates to help you get that luxury look without having to pay the luxury price tag. If you've made it so far in this video, I want you to take a sec and comment down below. I am working on my personal brand. I want to hear from you and I want to know what brand you're working on. What is it that you do, or what is it that you're passionate about? Next episode, we're diving into the confidence code. We're talking about how to stop playing small and how to have confidence to charge what you're worth. You really do not want to miss it. You've been listening to the Empowerment Hour. I'm Sandrah. Stay bold, stay branded, and stay a baddie girl. And remember, you're the baddest. Catch you next week.
You are